Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabet. Stay with us. First we're opening colors. Lavender color, and the next one is forest green color. Stay with us. Now we open the color of emerald green. Wow, so many colors. Pale blue light color, and the next one is light violet color. Kids, the next one is yellow color. Stay with us. Now we open the color of pastel pink, and the next one is geranium color. Geranium color, Persian blue color. Wow. The next one is yellow green color. Stay with us. Scarlet color. Now we open warm gray color. The next one is cool gray color. Mint blue color. The next one is rose beige color. Raw silk color. And the last one is vivid green color. So kids, first we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we're writing the alphabet of B. B for ball, B for bat. C for cow, C for cat. Now we use the color of lavender. D for dog, D for doll. D. The next one is E. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat. G. The next one is H. H for hand. Stay with us. H. So now you're using the color of geranium. I for ice, I for ice cream. I. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. K. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. Warm gray color. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. O. O for octopus. P for penguin. Now we're writing the alphabet of Q. Forest green color. Q for queen. Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Now we're using the color of Persian blue. V. W. W for wolf. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Kids, the next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Yes, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.